guys, I just wanted to share this great little art project with you that I did with my grandsons over the summer. We got these chip trays from Amazon, and then I got these paint trays from Amazon, and then I got this AnyMark acrylic paint. It's an indoor-outdoor paint in lots of different colors. It also comes with a pack of paint brushes. I didn't even realize that. I didn't catch that, and I already had paint brushes, so I'll save those for another project later on. What I used was Quikrete concrete in the chip trays, and I let them dry overnight, and then they were ready to paint the next day. And then we were able to put these faux flowers, these concrete flowers, throughout the flower bed and make them look like they'd been there for a long time. They've held up really well. It's been about 3 weeks since we did the project. We've had rain and sun, and it's been really hot here in Texas. And they've held up really well, so I'm pretty excited about them. I really like this little project. It was a fun thing to do with my grandsons this summer. If you found this video helpful, click that thumbs up below and check out my Amazon shop for other great Amazon finds and ideas. Thanks for watching.